7 things that you need to learn to become an expert options trader. Hi there, my name is Kritesh and welcome to TradeWin's YouTube channel. First of all, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish a lot of interesting videos on trading and investing on this channel. Now, a lot of options traders do gut-based investing, which means that they feel like that the market will go up, and in that scenario, they will buy a call option, and in some scenarios, they feel like that the market will be go down, and in those cases, they buy put positions. But most of the time it doesn't work out and they end up having a lot of losses. So basically options trading is not gut based investing, and just because you feel that the market is going to go higher or the market is going to go lower, you should not take options trade. There are different things, there are different concepts that you need to learn in order to become an expert options trader, and that is what we are going to discuss in this video. So here are the 7 things that every options trader should know if they want to become profitable. First, options fundamentals. So if you don't understand the fundamentals like what is ATM, OTM, ITM, at the money, out of the money, in the money, what is options premium, what is expiry. So if you don't know these things and you are just buying positions, in that case you will end up having losses. So the first and most important thing is you need to have a very good foundation. You need to understand all the basics fundamentals before you take any of your options trades. Second, options chain. So options chain is basically the listing of all the call and put positions in the market on a particular trades. So you can see the options chains for Nifty, Bank Nifty, or even for the individual stocks if you are trading in stock options. So looking into options chain give you a very good ideas on where the options positions are building and what can be a good resistance or support for particular position. So the thing is that a combination of price action and open interest that can be found by looking into the options chain can give you the best result. So a lot of people trade in options, but they have never seen options chain and they never intend to understand options trading. However, if you want to become an expert, you need to understand options chain. This is freely available on NSE India website. Moreover, if you are using any brokerage platform, they also provide you options to look into the options chain. Third, options Greek. So option Greeks are basically the ingredients that helps to understand how the pricing of premiums work, and they basically affects the pricing. If the prices are going higher, if the prices are going lower, it depends on multiple factors like how much is the time left before the expiry, how much is the volatility in the market. So if you want to understand the pricing of the premiums, you need to understand option Greeks. So there are different Greeks available for options trader like Delta, Theta, Gamma, Vega. So you need to have at least the basic understanding of how these and how all of these works in order to become able to get to good options trades. Now, if you want to learn about options Greeks or options chains, we have a very elaborated course on our platform FinGrads. You can visit the website using the link joinfingrad.com, and we have a full dedicated course on options trading for beginners and options trading for masterclass, which is around 4 to 5 hour courses, and that can be a good starting place for the beginners to learn all these concepts. Fourth is candlesticks and technicals. So a lot of options traders do not even know how candlesticks works or how technical works. So like I discussed earlier, they make trades just based on their gut. They just feel like that the market will go higher, or they just feel like the market will crash and they will buy position. However, this is not the right approach to enter any trade. If you want to find the right entry position, you have to look into the candlesticks, you have to look into the technicals in order to find where to enter. Similarly, if you want to exit any position, again, you have to understand how the technical works, what are the technicals for that stock option or the index option which is working on. So if you don't know the technical analysis, if you don't know how to read candlesticks, this may be a major flaw in becoming an expert option trader. So knowing candlesticks and technical indicator is one of the must thing that every option trader should learn before making their trades. Fifth, options strategies. So in the market, options buyers and sellers use different strategies in order to make profit. So all the market will not be a trending market. So in most of the time, it will not happen that the market will shoot up 1 or 2% in a day. And in a lot of time, the market may be sideways. So depending on how the market is working, whether it's a trending market, whether it's a sideways market, whether the volatility is too high in the market or whether the volatility is too low on the market, you have to look into different strategies and you need to execute them. So there are different strategies available for both options buyers and sellers that they can execute in order to make maximum profit and reduce the loss potential in their trades. So most of the expert traders do not blindly buy any or call or put options. They use different strategies to make volatility and along with time decay in their favor. So again, if you want to become an expert options trader, you need to start looking into the different strategies. There are very simple strategies to get started with, and there are also complex strategies with 3 legs, 4 legs that a lot of advanced traders use. But you need to start with the simpler one and move forward with the advanced ones once you have more knowledge and experience. 6. Hedging. So if you are simply buying naked positions, that is, you are simply buying a call and put position, and if you are not limiting your risks, in that scenario, you will be exposed to unlimited loss potential. So most of the traders who trades on options, they know the concept of hedging. So hedging is one of the biggest friend of option trader, and it helps them in limiting the risk that they are taking. So most of the option buyer or option seller who have taken some position, they will want to hedge their position in order to reduce the risk, because sometimes the market can be very volatile and it has the potential to erode all your capital in your trading account. So it's always favorable, it's always useful to have some hedging position. In addition, even if you are an investor, even if you are investing in stocks for the long term, in that case also you can have some hedging position, you can have some put options, or you can have some covered call, and using those you can reduce the risk if there's a big fall in the market. So hedging is another very important concept that all the options traders know in order to limit the risk that they take in the market. And let's move forward to 7th and final, and this is trading psychology. So you might know all the concept, you might know how candlesticks work, how option Greeks work, how options chain work, but if you are not able to control your emotions while trading, you will fail in options. So here you need to learn about money management, risk to reward, and using those only you can become profitable. For example, if you are not maintaining a good risk to reward, you are having a lot of losses, and if you are taking very small profit, in that case you will never be able to become profitable in options trading. Similarly, if you're not having good money management, when you don't know when to trade with bigger lots and when to trade with smaller lots, in that case also you will also not become profitable in the long term. So trading psychology is one of the most difficult thing that options trader needs to learn, but it is a must. You might know all the concept, but you will fail just because if you do not have control on your psychology. So 7th and final thing that you need to learn to become an expert option trader is to control your emotion and to learn trading psychology. So, however, this doesn't come in theories. You cannot learn it by reading in the books. You have to learn it through practical experience only. You can learn it only while taking trades in the live market. So these are the 7 things that beginners need to learn to become an expert in options trading. The first was fundamentals. Options fundamentals is a must. Second was options chain. Third was option Greeks. Fourth, moving forward, we looked into candlesticks and technical indicators. Fifth was option strategies. Sixth thing that you need to learn was hedging. And 7th and final was trading psychology. So you need to learn all these things in order to become a pro option trader. So that is all for this video. I hope it was useful to you. If you have learned anything new in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to us for more interesting trading and investing videos. This is Kritesh signing off. Thank you.